Drowning in to-do lists? Feel like you're living to work instead of working to live? What if you could actually have it all? More time, more money, more... time? The secret? It's not some get-rich-quick scheme. It's automation. Let's be honest, most of us are stuck in a time-for-money trap. You clock in, you clock out, and your income is directly tied to how many hours you grind. But what happens when you want to take a vacation or spend more quality time with your family? The money stops, right? It's a constant struggle. I'm here to tell you there's a better way, a way to break free from that cycle. Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and see you made money while you were sleeping. Not just a few dollars, but significant income. That's the power of automation. It's about building systems that work for you 24/7, even when you're not actively working. And it's not just about the money, it's about freedom. Automation gives you freedom on 3 crucial levels. Freedom of time. You get to choose how you spend your day. No more being chained to your desk. Your automations are the ones working around the clock. Freedom from rejection. Tired of endless follow-ups and constant rejection? Automation handles that, nurturing leads and building relationships without you having to lift a finger. Your automated system does all of the work for you. Freedom of passive income. This is the big one. Automation creates passive income streams. Money that comes in even when you're relaxing, traveling, or focusing on other priorities. It gives you an income that when you're sleeping or doing the things you have to do or things you love to do, you can build an income stream because your system is working for you. Take a moment and ask yourself this crucial question. What can you do at your current job right now to make money if you're not actively working? If the answer is nothing, then this is the game changer you've been searching for. Because when you have an automated system, you're no longer trading time for dollars. So how do you actually build these automation systems? How do you get started? That's where our proven blueprint comes in. We've created a step-by-step guide specifically for people who are tired of the traditional 9-to-5 and ready to unlock true financial and time freedom. This isn't just theory. Thousands of people just like you are already using this blueprint to create thriving online businesses and earn daily pay while enjoying precious time with their families, all from the comfort of their own homes. Ready to ditch the grind and start living life on your terms? This is your opportunity to create the life you've always dreamed of. More time, more money, and more freedom to do what you love. Click the link below now and start building your automated future today. Don't just dream it, automate it.